Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create an image block in your Shopify checkout page. I will show you one example. So this checkout, secure checkout, free shipping, money back guarantee. These icons are the images one. And if you need these kind of images to be placed in your checkout page, watch this video completely without skipping. A quick note that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout Ninja Customizer app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and create Advanced Block. Now click on Create Checkout Block. So there will be some default templates showing with different blocks here. So you can either choose any from here if you need, otherwise you can close it. First thing, you have to give a proper title so that the title would be identified easily from the list of block. And if you have any conditional visibility, enable this. So by enabling this, the image block will be appear in the checkout page only when the given condition is met. So there are multiple conditions listed over here. You can choose any of this from here. For now, I am not adding any, so I am just disabling it. So now you have to click on add block and you can just search for image block. So this is the image block. So let's add this to the checkout. Now simply you can just open the file browser and you can add the image that you want. Or else you can just add an image from here, or the given one will be listed here. So I'm just planning to add this image. So I'm just giving it as selecting and then making it as done. So setup is done. If you need one more, then you can just add multiple blocks like this. I'm just planning to add one. So the setup is very simple and it's done. And let's make this active and then let's save it. Now you will be getting a block ID from here. So just copy it and open your checkout editor page. First thing you have to do is adding the custom block to the checkout and give your block ID here, which we have copied earlier. So you can see that a custom block has been created successfully in your checkout page. Since I have created already one, I am not planning to add one more. So I'm just deleting it. For you, after adding this, you can just save it and go to the app section so that you can just drag the custom block to anywhere else like this, so that you can place over this custom block anywhere as you wish. Now let's test this setup in our online store. So after saving it, go to checkout and find your image block has been created successfully like this. So that's how you can easily create an image block in your Shopify checkout page. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.